How to fix Snapchat not recording video problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat not recording video problem. So I will show you the tips to fix the problem for Snapchat not recording video problem. What you have to do is first restart your phone. First you have to restart your phone, and then the second step is you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and see whether the Snapchat is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update your Snapchat application. And then the third step is you have to go back to your menu and you have to uninstall the application, uninstall the Snapchat, and then reinstall it. And then now you have to log in into your Snapchat account, and then let's see, we can shoot the video, we can record a video or not. Okay, due to the recording, my screen recording, it is not allowing to record. So this is how you can fix your Snapchat not recording video problem. It has been solved. So you can see here it has been solved. So you can do in this way. Thanks for watching.